New year. Yes, we are back. So again, my name is Thanai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so grateful that you guys have chose to click my page, my video. So today what we're going to be doing is the Boxycharm try on. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned. So if you guys have not seen the Boxycharm December edition, you might want to check that video out real fast. We show it and the pricing and all. So yeah, check that out first and then come back on to this channel. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, this box was limited to 5 products. I have to put on foundation. I have to put on all that stuff. So okay, so I don't remember what I was trying to do. Oh yeah, foundation is all right. So I will go ahead and blend this in, and normally I will use a brush, and I use you guys, and it's a foundation blending brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer, and I'm gonna hit you all with the new one now. It's not necessarily new, but it's not what I really go to. I'm gonna go with my Color Corrector Photo Focus Concealer by Wet n Wild. I changed it up on you guys. Very like creamy-ish texture, so I like that. My go-to was Tarte, but I don't know. I don't know. Shut up. Just shut up. I don't even know what to do. Just stop talking. Okay.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild. We were up.
Essence for the setting powder real quick. Just a little bit, just a doozy. Yeah. Okay, I just had it. Okay, I can't find my dual-ended wand by Wet n Wild, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this. It's an older NYX concealer, but I did get it in a darker color. It's called CW08. I don't know what the color is, but I will go ahead and do my nose with this. Okay, so I will go ahead and do that. And I don't normally use this. I apologize if this is gonna look really bad because I don't normally use it. So like, yeah, because it's very creamy while the other texture is not. What is this? Oh my god, y'all, I'm gonna have to put you on. Just gonna go ahead and honestly, I'm gonna do something very simple. I don't know. I don't remember. My memory's like off. Honestly, I will just do like, girl, what you talking about? Say, spit it out. Spit it out. All right, I don't know. I'm just gonna go with the Milani and the Jaded brand palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of color on my eye. And my lighting sucks. Oh, it sucks. And you guys, I was honest. Fuck. Fudge. My loves, I had a little bit of a hiccup. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just getting really frustrated with myself. But yeah, I'll go ahead and just go in with Envy. And I'll use my fingers for this because I feel like I can just get it, I don't know, get to the point. Okay, so that's about as color I'm gonna use in there. All right, y'all. I apologize. My lighting is horrible. I do not have all that fancy stuff right now. Like everything's just crooked. Everything's just like on a limbo right here, like waiting to just like fall all over me. But yeah, I'm trying my best. Please be patient. Anyway, I will go ahead and now okay, y'all, so I will go ahead and go in with the Glamnetic, and that is what came with the lashes. So this little package came in with, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it like it's liner, I guess, right? All right, I'll fix that end right there, honestly, because I don't want to like use like glue all the way up there. So here's a little pretty package, and this one that they sent me is Bella. And like I honestly like, I love like my Boxycharm, and I love Boxycharm in itself, but like I see like how some people had like eyeshadow. I was like, man, I wish I had eyeshadow. Okay, but that's okay because the other one is pretty cool too. So it's just all in what you get. Okay, I'm gonna just like apply it. Oh no, fudge. All right, real quick, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Tarte Man Eater mascara. Ooh, did you hear that? Listen. So I will go ahead and apply that. And I know, like, it's like, what's the point? Why are you applying both? I know. Well, I just like to do my normal routine, I guess you could say. And those are, I'm not mad. I'm not hating that Tarte mascara, though. I'll be honest with you guys. Like, okay. Now that I touched up my regular routine, I'm not mad at you. I love this, and for being in a Boxycharm box, it's awesome. I love getting mascaras, eyeshadows, and all that, lashes, all that, everything. Now let's see if the lash will still stick on. You guys, like, wow, literally wow. Wow. Okay, on to the next side. Your girl ain't mine. I love this. Like, okay. I'm trying to get like a rhythm down here. All right. I really like these lashes, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. I can't see. And applying the mascara literally just makes the lashes look more full, to my opinion, and for me. That's why, like, I like applying them. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. Okay, so now that these are applied, all right, y'all. Now for the last port, well, second to last, I'm gonna go ahead and yes, I will go ahead and apply some bronzing effect. So I'm using the Iconic London face palette. So I don't know where to begin. Let's go ahead and go with that. Nice and warm. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. Just give my face a little bit of, like, you know, texture and look like I'm, you know, real and not cakey or anything like that. Okay, so I think that's simple enough, honestly. Okay. Like I said, I'm not going to apply too much. I just want to go ahead and show you guys what I have in here. Now I will also apply a little cliffhanger there. I'm going to go ahead and mix this and this just a little bit. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay. I'm not sure, like, is this like a, does that be like a highlight? All right, so this looks like it could be like a highlight. Yep. Okay. All right, y'all. I think I'm done with this little palette. I will add a little bit more. Y'all know I'm not satisfied unless I have like the perfect look, which sometimes I overdo it and I need to stop when I see it's like fine. It's a little bit more like bronzer, like I'm using a little bit of this. You can be like, you're gonna mess it up tonight. I know, right? Okay. I absolutely do love this palette. I think it's perfect for my skin tone. I think I mean, I really enjoyed it. Just get some of this out the way. Okay. Now, and last but not least, my lovelies. My beautiful lovelies, unicorns, pretties, whatever you guys all are, just so amazing to me. And yes, the last part. I know I was extra on that, but hey, I just felt the need to say it. All right, so this one is called Marrakesh, and this is the MAC lipstick, full size. Normally, I wouldn't go this dark, but for the video, wow, woo! Talk about going out to dinner and New Year's Eve. I don't know how to, ooh. Y'all, I honestly don't know how to apply this type of lipstick. I really don't. Like, I don't know. Okay, well, that's this color. Oh, this color. This color. Won't focus. Alright, so yeah, lovelies, I'm all done. I do feel beautiful. I do feel like, oh, I did go ahead and add my that's another day. Anyways, I did go ahead and add like my setting sprays and whatnot right here. The towels are there because I don't have like a hallway closet, but that's besides the point. Let's go ahead and spray this. This is Madison Beer. Oh, I just love that smell. Love it. All right, luminous setting spray is applied. I'm all done with the look. What do you guys think as far as like my bad lighting? Which, hint, hint, I could really use some lights. Like, you guys should see what I'm using right now. It's embarrassing. Maybe I'll show you guys. I don't know. But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys, of the Boxycharm of the December edition. And I wanted to just say thank you so much. Alright, so as I was trying to get a thumbnail or something, I just wanted to say thank you all so much for coming back and viewing my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. You guys don't understand how much it means to me and how much it means to us YouTubers, but yes, especially me because I'm like a newbie. But yeah, no, seriously, thank you so much for all of you who are subscribed, and for those of you who aren't, please hit that subscribe button, that post notification bell, so it will notify you when I upload. Other than that, Happy New Year. I think this would have been like a nice little New Year's look, New Year's Eve look, or per se, but yeah, I wasn't feeling good yesterday, so I figured I'd just go ahead and reveal the box, the try-on today, I should say. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, everyone. Please be well, stay safe, be happy, take care of yourself, mind, body, and soul. I love you all. Thank you. Peace out. See you guys in my next video. Bye.